said before, and many of them have said before, Latha has been my guru for this. Yes, I was passionate about doing all this, and then the passion was brought about by only Latha. It was the Mrs. Chennai in 2013, which brought about this change in me. I had it inside me, and of course, yaar enna passion irukko, Robo Ganesh sonna mari, please, அது வந்து என்னைக்காச்சும் ஒரு நாள் வந்து do it for yourself. Definitely அதோட happiness வந்து is totally different. Profession இருந்தா கூட டாக்டர்ன்ற வெளியில ஒரு ப்ரொஃபஷன் இருந்தா கூட when you do your passion அதுக்கு இருக்கிற ஒரு happiness வேற, and that goes to Latha. And of course she gave me the big stage on Mrs. India World, and that was a big eye opener for the breast cancer awareness I'm doing today. So thank you so much over and over again, and God bless the batch which is coming out today.
Thank you very much, Kavya. It is always the greatest honor to stand on a stage here representing an institution, that has, is actually honoring you today. And I cannot tell you how much Iris Glam has changed my life. Iris Glam is an institution that I actually came for the inaugural event, and I sat like all of you in this crowd as a special guest, as a celebrity guest for the event. And I felt so inspired by what they were offering, because I don't know if Biju and Ruku will remember me. 20 years ago, I was also trying out for modeling jobs with them, through them, in Chennai. And at that time, there were no such grooming schools. In fact, there was no digital photography. There was nothing like that. To get a portfolio done, it was so hard. And the whole thing, you had no clue. You had to try and, learn from cinema, learn from what you see on the magazines, how to pose, how to walk, everything. So this kind of training was not available when I was growing up. So I really felt, okay, who cares? Yeah, maybe I'm very much older now. Let me try it. Let me give it a shot. Let me see if it can teach me to walk on a ramp. And it transformed my life. Why it did? Because I didn't realize that what we were getting was actually coming from the best in Chennai. The most renowned, choreographer, fashion choreographer, Sanjay ji was giving us the training. And Nandita ji, her personal branding. Today, I actually regard myself as a brand because of what I gained from her and from her classes. It was just amazing how I went from a person who believed that I had limitations to a person who believed that nothing is impossible, thanks to Iris Glam. And I'm looking forward to more and more adventures. I will not say obstacles, more and more adventures in my life. Picture abhi baki hai. So, thank you everyone.
How is everyone doing today? Thank you. Okay, it's a great day, it's a great occasion, and I'm so happy to be here. I've known Latha for quite some time. In fact, when she started Mrs. Chennai years ago, I think the first main event was done by me years ago. 2000, I guess. I don't know where she is. 2000, the year 2000, I guess. So it's been a long journey for you and for me as well. It's wonderful, and I'm so happy that everyone from the industry is here. The pillars of the industry are here. I don't know if Biju is around, so I'm missing her actually. So that would have been nice. And Latha, wonderful job. I love this initiative, and I'm glad that Naturals and CKK is supporting this. Not just that you're taking care of grooming, makeup, styling, and Sanjay is there to groom the models, so that's awesome. You've got a great guy on the job there. So I'm so happy that something professional is happening in Chennai. We all do our part in grooming, but such an organization didn't exist before, and all of us have been busy in so many ways. I used to groom people personally when I have time, because fortunately or unfortunately I do quite a few things, so it doesn't permit me time. But I'm glad that this is happening, and I want more and more people taking part and realizing their dreams. I want it to come true. First batch, I know a lot of people won titles. That's brilliant. Congratulations to people who did well. And I just want to share a couple of things. What happens after you graduate from here? How do you take it forward? It's very important that once you finish this, you don't say that you've become a model, because you haven't. Because the real tough part starts after that. You have to look yourself every day in the mirror and say, where do I go? Am I worth it? It's very important. So I just want to say a couple of things. Your body is your investment, your face and your body. Make sure you treat it with utmost respect and care. That's very important. Then I want you to work with the right people, take good pictures, have a portfolio, send it to people and work with the right people. Watch a lot of videos. If you're going to become a ramp model in the future, I hope I can see a lot of you people on the ramp soon. Watch a lot of videos, watch what the good models do. There are a lot of good models and a lot of not so good models. So don't learn from what not so good models do. Learn from what the good models do. So learn, practice, work very hard, watch videos, keep in touch with people, see what the latest trends are. Because you should keep updating, like how you change your hairstyles. As a model, you should keep updating because you should create the demand for yourself. Chennai is a place where you have very few models. We all know that it's not easy to get fresh, good faces. So there is a lot of scope. So groom yourself well, work hard, make it worth it, then people will definitely use you for your projects. I wish you all the best. Congrats to the wonderful team here. Thank you so much.
Actually a surprise, Lata. Thank you so much. I can't say much on stage. As everybody knows, I got a lot of stage fear. But thanks to Iris Glam, the day I joined Iris Glam, my stage fear was vanished because of a lot of effort of Nandita and Sanjay sir and all the other team. And I would only say that if I'm standing here today speaking with such a confidence is because of Iris Glam. And believe me people, you are on a very right hand. Thank you so much.
Sanjay would be me. Correct me if I'm wrong there. See, they're all nodding there. So my job basically was to ensure that they are able to speak perfectly on stage and also off stage. I also ensure that they are seen as brands where people want to actually walk up to them and say, hey, we want you to be our model, we want you to be with us and work with us. So that was my job. I must congratulate and thank Lata for bringing me in. What she's doing is out of this world. The kind of effort she's putting in is credible, and I must thank her for bringing me in as a channel partner. Thank you so much, Lata. Good luck to batch 2. I think batch 1 has proved themselves beyond expectations, so congratulations batch 1. Thank you so much.
Shining, I can see somebody stunning, I can see some handsome hunk here. I can see these gorgeous ladies, 2 ladies here. Welcome, thank you so much. First of all, thank you, Iris Glam, Iris, Mrs. Lata Krishna. I love you so much for keeping me always, where you go, there I come behind you. Thank you so much, Lata ma'am. Otherwise I call her Lata Akka. Let me say thanks to her before I talk about this second batch. I should mention, Kavya, you're doing a beautiful job. Excellent job. The DJ, you're doing a rocking work, and Jaya, you're doing a superb work. And Mr. Amal Raj and everybody are doing fantastic. Press people, fantastic. Thank you so much for coming here. Iris Glam, season 2. Yes, exactly. Silence. Season 2 was a very, very difficult task. Very difficult task. Season 1 was like very beautiful. The journey was very smooth. All human beings are born talented. All are born with blessed with talent and everything, good looks. It's just we are nobody to give them. We have to just chisel them and bring them out for what they have inside them. Everybody is blessed. We are not a teacher. We are not a guru. We are just the guidelines giving them the little finger and bringing them out from the well where they are hidden inside. Iris Glam, batch 1 was very nice. All of them had the fire in them. This batch 2 was a difficult task for me, but I didn't lose hope. I just had to grill them. As Nandita said, I'm known as a dinosaur here, but then I am happy because I want the result. I want the ultimate result. So I literally had to grill them. I had to be very strict with them because ultimately I want the stars to shine. I want them to shine. I want to be very successful. I want them to be very, very happy and fulfill their dreams, fulfill their wishes. Every person who's come to Iris Glam here, they have a dream of becoming an actor, a model, a dancer, a VJ, everything they want to do on this glamour world. And we are the platform here. We would love to help the new faces and bring them out. And after this, they get groomed, we put them on to the leading model coordinators, the directors, the producers, whomever they want. Wherever we can help them. We won't guarantee them that they would get the chance, but we will guarantee them a beautiful help, a positive help. We'll push them. The rest is all in their destiny. Very happy to be connected with this batch 2. All of them are very new to this field. So when they come on the stage, kindly do give a big hand of applause for them and encourage them. Okay, I'll be very grateful because only if you are going to hold their courage back, they will be very happy. It's the graduation day. If I tell them, Nalla panna, supera panna, they say, oh, Sanjay sir dana, parvala. But if you clap for them when they come onto the stage, I think their life will be made. So I request you, please, because an artist will understand another artist, and you all are human beings. So we would understand another human being better. So thank you so much. I've spoken a lot. Somewhere else I don't speak a lot. On the TV I don't speak a lot as Purushottam. But here I speak a lot. But that's me. What to do? Okay. Thank you so much.
I'm very happy being here. Iris Glam, first of its kind in India. I'm very, very happy. And Lata was a much experienced person in this field. And evlo models, evlo heroines industry. So I think this again a new gate, and it is young aspirants who wants to make it big in the film industry and in any photography, in any other field, modeling field. That's a very great Iris Glam. இந்தியாவில் இது ஒரு ஃபஸ்ட்டு டைம் உங்களுக்கு வந்து ஃபுல் ட்ரைனிங் கொடுத்து உங்களை கிட்டத்தட்ட எங்ககிட்ட ரெடியாக அனுப்புகிற மாதிரியான ஒரு விஷயத்த லதா பண்ணுறாங்க. ஐ எம் வெரி வெரி ஹாப்பி பீயிங் ஹியர். ஆல் த வெரி பெஸ்ட் டு ஐரிஸ் கிளாம் அண்ட் ஆல் த பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ்.
I'm very happy to be a part of this Iris Glamour second batch student graduating. There are a lot of industries or the skills which is available, like engineering or doctor, and many such things are happening. But when people come out, jobs are not available. These are one such opportunities. When people come here, they not only learn how to become media ready, they also gain a lot of confidence. With that, they will go into the market and they will shine like superstars. And that's what is happening here. I'm very happy that Lata and the team at Iris Glam put together are doing some wonderful job. These kind of jobs and these kind of opportunities will take not only the individuals to a greater level, I think it will also take the society to a greater level, because no more traditional jobs, traditional opportunities are going to be relevant in this world. The illiterates of the 21st century are not the ones who cannot read and write. The illiterates of the 21st century are the ones who cannot learn, unlearn and relearn. This is the time to unlearn and relearn, look at new opportunities, grab them with both the hands, train ourselves and get ready. Iris Glam is an opportunity to make the people, train them and get them ready to the market with the new skills, and that skill will be needed in the 21st century. I'm sure they will put and they will shine like superstars, and more people will join, and together let us build a beautiful India. Thank you so much.
See, this is Lata Krishna. I am the CEO of Iris Glam, powered by Naturals. Iris Glam is basically a 8 weeks program where aspiring models, actors and RJs, if they need training in modeling, fashion walk, fashion photography, styling, self makeover, acting sessions, then also personality development and communication. We give them 8 weeks training and we prepare them to face the glam world with confidence. Whoever has participated today, for all of them, this is the first time stage. They're all, as it is in the first batch, 5 girls on the first batch have gone up to Mrs. India level. 2 girls have won Miss India first runner-up and second runner-up. 3 women have won the first and second and third. They're all here. They're our alumni of the first batch. Even the second batch will rock, and very soon they'll also be participating in pageants. They'll be walking the ramp, make us very proud. And our third batch is yet to start in January. Thank you so much.